Welcome back. Today, we are going to dive into the world of affiliate marketing. If you've ever wondered how it works, who's involved, and how much you can potentially earn, this video is for you. Let's start with what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of online marketing where businesses, also known as brands, partner with individuals and other businesses known as affiliates, like me. I'm an affiliate. The affiliate promote the product, brands, or services and earn a commission for each sale or lead that we generate. It's a win-win situation. I get a commission, they get a sale. Doing this also increases the brand's reach, and affiliates make more money for their promotional efforts. So who are affiliates? Affiliates can be anyone, and by anyone I mean people like you and me. Affiliates can be anyone with a platform to reach an audience. This could be bloggers or YouTubers or even regular people like you and me who are good at promoting products. They can use their platforms to recommend services to their audience. They use these links that are generated by the companies called affiliate links, and those links directly go to the company that you're purchasing the product, and the affiliate makes a commission off that sale. How does it work? Well, let's say you're an affiliate for a popular shoe brand. You create some content, either a video unboxing the shoe or showing a shoe or talking about shoes. And in the bottom of the video, in the description below, you add a few links, and those links are affiliate links. So when anybody decides, wow, I really love that shoe, you know, that shoe, look, she loves those shoes. They're awesome shoes. They click on the link, they buy the shoes, and the affiliate makes a commission. The brands, they track all the clicks and the links, and they know that because that particular link was from Elizabeth's site, they know to pay Elizabeth. That's me. Each of those links is a unique link. A lot of people ask, where and when does affiliate marketing happen? That question is really interesting to me because affiliate marketing is continuously happening. It's happening all around us all the time, 24/7. It's on various platforms like blogs, YouTube, social media, and even email. Because it's 24/7, as long as your content is live and accessible, you can earn commission. It basically, once you get everything set up, it can become a passive machine. A great example of affiliate marketing would be Amazon affiliates. That one's a really easy one to get into and quick to start. The only downside with the Amazon affiliates is that it's a low commission. If you have a blog or you're a YouTuber or an influencer, you sign up to promote Amazon product, and then you earn a commission on every sale that is made through your unique link. And similarly, programs like eBay, Etsy also have affiliate link programs. I'll make a video later on all the affiliate programs that I use so that you can also sign up for them. How much do affiliate marketers make? That's a loaded question. Basically, the earnings potential of an affiliate marketer varies greatly. Some affiliates earn just a few $100s a month, while others make thousands. According to Business Insider, 15% of e-commerce revenue can be attributed to affiliate marketing. That's a huge chunk, 15% of commerce. If you think about how much commerce is going on in the world, that's a huge number. It all depends on the affiliate marketer's skill. So the popularity of the product they're promoting and the size of their audience. If you have a cool and amazing product, it's always easier to market it. And then if you're skillful as well with marketing, that helps. And then obviously, if you have a large audience, wow, that's amazing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful and flexible way for you to earn income online, and it does require dedication, strategy, and trust in the products you promote. But with the right approach, it can be very lucrative. I don't want to mislead anybody. It is work. You don't just roll out of bed and, you know, you're just raking in the money. Because I do hear a lot of videos that, you know, they do say that. And on some part of it, they're correct that once you have your systems in place and you know what you're doing, it can be a very easy job. And you can start this as a side hustle while working your main 9 to 5. I don't want to discourage you because, you know, you can still make money. When I first started out, I was only making about $100, $120 a month. And that was strictly from Amazon. I didn't do much to promote it. When I could, I did. And it was really cool seeing how easy it was to bring in those commissions. I would love to teach you and help you. I will leave you some links down in the description so that you can check out some affiliate links that I have, as well as I do have an excellent program that I think that you might like to try because it works, hands down it works. I plan to continue making videos like this to help you along your journey, and I'm going to try to make it in bite-sized portions. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. That gives me great ideas on what to expand on or explain if you need help as you're going through this journey. And don't forget to like and subscribe to follow to get more. And I'll put this all in one playlist. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this information very helpful, and thank you for watching. Okay, bye.